Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to make a simple float. Since it's the town's fiesta, the city's fiesta, we're going to join the parade. Its theme for today's parade is Color the Night. So we have to light up some float. But since we're only amateurs, we're going to make just a simple one. So since it's almost Christmas, we're going to design this. We're going to bring all these three snowman, Santa, and elf. And we're going to use some LED lights. This one. This costs 95 pesos each, per meter. And then we're going to also use some motorcycle battery. This costs around 500 pesos. And I'm going to attach some just on and off button. Okay. That's Phoebe. She's good with electrical wires. So first we have to make this base. Use an old jar. Light up. Hi guys, we are now trying to attach So we attach the four corners. There. Attach four corners with some tarp. And that's it. Then we're gonna have the mascot at the back.